With Brainstorm, collect and organize your team's ideas efficiently. Click on the New button on your Klaxoon homepage and the suite of Klaxoon apps appears. Click on the Brainstorm icon. Give the Brainstorm a name in the window that opens and choose an image from your computer to illustrate it. Click on Create. Now you're in the Klaxoon Studio, the creation interface. If you like, you can write instructions for your team. Be sure to save it. Next comes the idea organization mode. Either you, the Brainstorm's creator, position the ideas on the board, or the participants position their own ideas as well as others' ideas or drawings, images, and shapes if they want. Let's use that mode. Advanced functions like categories and dimensions are also available. And now you're ready. It's time to launch your Brainstorm. Don't hesitate to use the choices suggested here. Publish your activity with an access code and get your participants to connect via email address. And here is the Brainstorm board. To connect the team, click on the bottom left-hand corner on the automatically generated code. Ask each person to go to this URL and to enter this code, or to scan the QR code directly. Each participant can easily join the activity by filling out the requested information and clicking on Join. And there you go! Participants can send in different kinds of ideas by writing a text, by doing a drawing, by sharing an image. And use the green arrow to send the idea. All the ideas arrive on the Brainstorm board. To position them, participants can click on Move and choose the elements that they want to move or change. Theirs, as well as other people's, and drawings, images, and shapes. Participants can also use the toolbar to organize the ideas. And for you, it's the same. Add a new idea, for example, a link to a video, and use the same toolbar to organize all the ideas. Here you can add a text or shapes to associate ideas. Oops, you made a mistake? No worries. With the back arrow, you can undo your last action. At any time, you can adjust the size of your Brainstorm using the zoom in, zoom out function or the scroll wheel on your mouse. To focus everyone's attention, use the synchronization function. This allows everyone to see the same part of the Brainstorm. It's very useful with people connected remotely. And because sometimes you need to see ideas differently to move forward on your projects, there are 3 different view modes. This is the board view, where you can organize your ideas as you want. In one click, you can switch to the column view to organize ideas in project mode. Create categories, for example, Priority 1 and Priority 2. Then sort the ideas with your team based on your priorities. And finally, the list view. The ideas are arranged in a table and you can sort them using various criteria, by date or by number of likes, for example. Naturally, the participants all have access to the same view modes. In one click, you can return to the board view. Nothing has changed, your layout is still the same, and the categories you have added also appear here. Other options are available. For example, you can switch to animator control mode. In this mode, participants can send and see ideas when you have positioned them. At any point, you can easily download the data from your Brainstorm via Menu, then Download Data. You will download Excel files with all your Brainstorm's ideas and images. And of course, the Brainstorm is always available at any time via your home page. You can open it back up whenever you want. Thanks to Brainstorm, your team has an infinite number of possibilities for managing its projects.
Et voila!